morning. When was the last time we talked? She goes, oh yeah, when we were unloading. These are done. No, wait, no, they're not. So, we did go to Laredo, and we did not pick up off the yard, which is our normal, routine for Laredo. We actually live loaded in Laredo, which is very unusual. This is only the second time we've ever live loaded in Laredo. But, despite what you may think, they got us in and out in an hour. Right now, I'm scanning all my paperwork in so I can get paid, because
that's a good plan.
Yeah, that's a good plan. Because we took that load home and reset under it, we didn't get it delivered before the payday cutoff. So we're gonna start our week basically a trip ahead, which was over almost 700 miles. And we're starting a trip ahead, so it's gonna really add to the miles on my check. And right now, it looks like we're set, because we have that extra trip on there, to have like 3,800 miles, 3,900 miles on 1 week. So this live load is originally going to Sewanee, Georgia. We're not taking it to Sewanee, Georgia. What we're doing is we're taking it to Mobile. A truck broke down in Mobile, and they have a loaded trailer. And we're going to go grab that loaded trailer. We're going to leave this there at the dealership. We're going to grab the loaded trailer, and we're going to come back. It's going right back to Seguin, where we just delivered. It's actually a 2-stop. There's a secondary stop on it. We've actually done this before. It's pretty common. I'm pretty sure that this is the load that's just empty racks, and it's not bad at all. So it's 2-stop, but it can deliver Monday, so we'll get all of those miles on that check. So we've done pretty good. Now, what is going to happen, I have 26 hours on my 70. I don't get any hours back for 3 days. So what this load is actually going to do is run my clock pretty much out. And so, once we deliver that load, we'll probably be sitting for the rest of that day. But it's late delivery, so it's not too bad. I did not scale this one because this one was light. So, it's supposed to rain all day. I think I'm going to, my routing is to go up I-35 to I-10 and take that all the way over. I think what I'm going to do, and what Tom suggests to do, and what I have done in the past, is take US 59 up through basically the backwoods. It's not a bad drive at all. Done it many times. It's just a little out in the middle of nowhere for a while. But that runs us right up to Houston, then we can hop on 10 in Houston. That one's done. We can hop on 10 in Houston, and we're going to take 10 all the way over, and then we're going to come back the same way. My goal is to go pick it up in the morning and get back across Houston tomorrow. That way, what is up here? Oh, my shoe loaded. That way, we don't have to deal with Houston on Monday morning. The first appointment in Seguin is not till 2. But so long as we're across Houston, we can sleep in a little bit. We gotta scale this on the way out of town. Or at some point we gotta scale this. It's not overweight. It's well over 43,000 pounds again. But I just need to get my axles balanced. It's not overweight. I just need to balance it. Saying, are you ready to go?
Yep.
Ready? 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 Let's go. done for the day. We did 554 miles today. We are 250 miles from rescuing this trailer. I don't know if I said this morning, but what it is the truck broke down in Mobile or got towed to Mobile or something. We're going to rescue the load and leave this load there. We're 250 miles from picking that up, so it's just going to be a quick drop and swap and yeah. And then we're going to turn around and go right back the same way. Except we're going to go across Houston because we're going back to Seguin. We're going to San Antonio area. So tomorrow my plan is I want to go and I want to get this trailer and I want to go back. I at least want to make it into Texas. I'm not going to be able to cross Houston tomorrow, which is fine. My appointment on the other load, the first one, is not until 2:30, so we don't have to mess with rush hour in Houston. So that's good. We are in Louisiana. We parked someplace we've actually never parked before. If you've trucked in Louisiana, you know that at every exit practically there's a truck stop with a casino on I-10. So this is a casino. But there's a truck stop. And the place looks like a dump from the outside. It looks like an absolute dump, nasty, dirty. Inside, the store, the convenience store part of it, is gorgeous. I wasn't expecting anything when I walked in, and I was just blown away how nice it is in there. It's very nice. The bathrooms are beautiful. It's just gorgeous. But there's also a casino next door that's got a Cajun restaurant in it. So we're going to go eat Cajun food because this is a treat for us. We don't get out this way very often. So we're going to go eat Cajun food. Total, all the way back through to our second stop is 883 miles. We have until 4 p.m. on Monday to do it. This is Saturday. I think we're okay. I think we're good. Not worried about it. But I'm hungry. We had McDonald's for lunch, early lunch, and it was not very good. But it's McDonald's. I don't know. Thing, are you ready to go eat?
Uh-huh.
You want some Cajun food?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Thing always wants Cajun food. I hope this place is good. It's got great reviews. So we'll find out.